Here we have an installation with a Mannington Adura Max 243 Athenia Maiden's Veil in the kitchen. This installation required us to remove the old sheet vinyl, which was loosely laid. We picked it up, had to do some patching in certain areas, prepped the plywood which was underneath, and started the installation down the length of the room. The profile is a 1 foot by 2 foot tile look and a stone look, laying down the length of the kitchen. So here is the project, about 50% completed. We had to move out all the appliances, get underneath them. Here's another look. Installing it in a brick pattern, stepping it down. And here is the completed project in the entire kitchen with this stone pattern. We again had to move out all the appliances, pick up the existing sheet vinyl, install our vinyl base around the walls, matching transitions in the doorways. And we had to cut a door. So this completed this project. So if you need to see further videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see other videos of other flooring categories. Subscribe to our video channel, and thank you for watching.